Sterilization validation can easily become one of the most expensive and time-consuming parts of the entire program, but only if it's designed as an afterthought. When sterilization strategy is aligned early, costs drop, timelines tighten, and surprises disappear. When it's chosen late, every incompatible material, every packaging failure, and every design flaw becomes a budget problem. The key is selecting your sterilization method early. Ethylene oxide, gamma, E-beam, and steam each bring specific constraints. EO leaves residuals that depend on material absorption. Gamma and E-beam can degrade polymers and brittle components and alter color or mechanical strength. Steam can warp plastics, weaken adhesives, and accelerate fatigue. If you don't choose the method up front, you end up redesigning geometry, changing adhesives, reselecting materials, and delaying verification. Smart validation starts with building worst-case test units, not ideal prototypes, but the toughest, highest-risk configurations your product will ever see. Maximum density trays, thickest walls, longest lumens, tightest crevices, most sensitive materials. These worst-case builds represent the upper boundary for sterilant penetration, outgassing, thermal stability, and mechanical durability. Validating the worst case means every easier configuration inherits compliance, lowering costs dramatically. Accelerated aging lets you learn faster while still supporting real shelf-life claims. Instead of waiting months or years for natural aging, you stress the product under controlled conditions to simulate end-of-life performance. This lets you detect heat-sensitive adhesives, polymer oxidation, seal creep, or packaging fatigue early before full runs become expensive. Cost control also means partnering with labs strategically. Not every sample needs a full battery of tests. You can use targeted testing to narrow risks first, material interaction screening, dose mapping, lumen studies, sterilant penetration models, seal strength baselines, then reserve the full-scale validations, bioburden, sterility assurance levels, EO residual analysis, distribution simulation, and full aging for when you're confident in your materials and geometry. This prevents burning thousands of dollars on test cycles that were doomed from the start.